Hey yo, what's up, guys? Good morning.
Morning, coach.
Good
I'm so
morning.
early.
Yes, you're the first one, Sis Daniel. Yeah,
Yes.
and followed by Brazil's the second one. It's kind of
Yeah.
like a private class, guys.
Yes, it is
Wow.
my break, my record.
Sure. Okay, great. Okay, so Daniel, where are you now? Are you in the office right now?
No, no. Currently, I'm in my room
Your
because
room.
yesterday. So sorry, I cannot join the
Hmm.
course because I have to attend the inauguration of new
What?
minister, coach.
Oh,
Kidding,
that's.
coach. Just kidding.
I think it's real. Oh God. Okay.
It's
Oh
kidding,
sure.
coach. Yeah, I have to
Okay.
take my cats to the vet,
Okay.
coach. My
Uh,
cat
d-
given birth, and
mhm.
my cats got difficulties to deliver, coach.
Oh, sure, that one. But finally, you can join again, Sis Daniel. Yeah, great
Yeah,
day. You
and
know,
I have to do some reports. Yeah, my KPI reports.
that's all
Mhm.
right. Okay. Well, Sis Daniel, how do you
Mhm.
do? You get it right?
Yeah, I'm feeling well, coach. How about you, coach?
Pretty great. Okay, so nice to hear that one, Sis
Have you
Daniel.
breakfast, coach?
Of course, this morning I had a what how we call it. It's like porridge. I don't think this is
Porridge.
porridge.
Mm-hmm. Like
I don't know
porridge.
the name. I think so. It's porridge. It's kind of like a porridge, but we don't call it like a porridge actually. I forgot the name. I don't know. It's like from my friends gave me to me, so that's a good.
Oh, for
Wow.
free, yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Of course. It's a fee. Okay. Well, thank you so much, Daniel. It's a
Thank you,
cool.
coach.
Okay. Wow, Brazil. Good morning.
Hello, Profi. Good morning.
Good morning, Brazil. How's life doing?
I'm great, bro. What about you? Thank you.
Oh, pretty great today, bro. That's a nice to meet you again, bro. Brazil. Brazil, how is the weather in your place? Is the same like a sunny day?
As usual, bro. Right now it's foggy because my place for now it is rainy season,
What?
you know.
A
Sometimes
rainy
rain.
season in your place? Oh, sure. That's great. So you often get a rainy over there. Is that right, bro?
Yep, bro.
Oh, that's a great,
Yep.
bro. Nice. Okay. So what do you feel? Is it like a cold or
Yeah,
so-so?
it's freezing, bro. Here,
Oh, sure. Is it freezing? It's like in the mountains, something like that, bro?
yeah, in the mountain,
Oh,
bro.
yeah.
The
Oh,
cold
sure.
same. Yeah, the cold same like
Oh,
refrigerator. Oh my God.
oh, yeah. Oh, sure. That's a great, bro. Nice. Okay, so it's like a foggy this morning. It must be though. Okay. Wow. Thank you so much, Brazil. Okay, so hello, Sis Lily. Hello, Sis Medlani. Hello, Sis Bunky. Sis Lily. Good
Hello,
morning.
good morning.
Hello. That's a great. Sis Lily, how do you
Good
do?
morning.
Morning.
I'm I'm getting well. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, finally, that could be nice to hear that, Sister League. Well, Sister League, have you had your breakfast?
Yes, I've just finished.
Okay, what did you eat for your breakfast? What's that?
Oh, apa? Kacang panjang tuh ngomongnya apa?
It's like a soup.
Long bean.
Uh-uh.
Long bean, yes. Long
Uh,
bean with
what?
terong apa, bro?
Hey, what is terang in English, guys? Is
Terong.
yeah, anyone knows what is terang? Egg?
Eggplant?
Eggplant.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
that's a good. Okay,
I
wow, that
always
must be
forget.
really
I'm
good.
sorry.
Hey, that's okay. It's no problem. Okay. Wow, that must be delicious. What about like your drink? It's like, do you drink coffee or like a tea, something like that? Like,
No,
no,
I
it's just
don't
mineral
like a
water.
coffee. Just like a tea.
A tea. That would be great. Okay, Cecilia, thank you so much. Okay. So, well, sis Bunky, sis Auntie, sis Pelani, Bro Fatih, Bro Dodi, guys, welcome back to our class again, everyone. So, we're going to continue learning, guys. Hold on. Kita buka dulu kelasnya ya. Oke, sambil nunggu yang lain juga. So, guys, good morning. Welcome back to our class again, everyone, with Speaking Partner.
We
We
are
We are the
Yes,
best
partner.
partner.
What's password, guys?
Smile.
Thank you so much, everyone. So nice. Okay, guys, today is Wednesday, and this is our 13 meetings. So today we're going to talk about the advanced vocabularies. Just make sure we need to always level up our vocabulary. So that's why today we need to talk about the advanced vocabularies. So we can speak with great vocabulary, not always by the basic words. But special for today, I would like to give you the addition topic. We don't have that topic on the module, so I give you by myself. So if you want to write down the text or the notes, that would be better. Or maybe just take a picture or just a screenshot. The material for this time is totally okay. Okay, it is about the pronunciation and also, but how do we call it? Oh, it's just like stretching or intonation in speaking. Guys, when we have a conversation, that would be better. We have a good intonation, so we can deliver the message well and also clearly. Maybe the partners, okay, will understand our conversation, our message easily. So to have a good English, one of them, instead of learning about the pronunciation, we need to improve about the intonation. This is really important. At the time in the class previously, in intermediate one, we learned about intonation in giving question. Ya guys ya, cara intonasi ketika memberikan pertanyaan. So in this time, it is like in the whole sentence, okay, even in the space like in the word and in the whole sentence. Okay, let's get started. Let's break down it. Look at this. As addition topic, we have this one. Let's talk about the intonation here, guys. Intonasi khususnya adalah stressing, penekanan. Jadi ketika mengucapkan kalimat ataupun kata dulu ya. So, in this part we need to have stress. Jadi ada penekanannya gitu, ada intonasinya gitu guys ya. Oke, biar gak monoton. Kayak gitu aja. So, look at this one. It's the word stress and sentence stress. We have two kinds, intonation. In the word stress, penekanan di sebuah kata itu juga ada. And the sentence stress in the whole sentence, ya guys ya, juga ada. So, let's get the ball rolling. The first one is word stress. Ada dua jenis guys. Di sini konteksnya ada dua jenis aja. Ada verb dan noun or adjective. Ada dua. Nah, ketika bentuk katanya itu berupa verb atau kata kerja, teman-teman, di situ nanti teman-teman harus kasih penekanan. You must give the stressing, okay? So, in the second syllables. Atau di suku kata yang kedua. Ada syaratnya juga. Konteks word stress ini, word stress itu hanya ketika sebuah verb kata kerja ataupun noun, adjective, kata benda atau kata sifat yang jumlahnya hanya dua suku kata. Kalau tiga suku kata enggak ya, pas suku kata enggak, hanya dua suku kata. Mostly we can use this stress. For example, you want to say verb dulu ya ini, become. Ada dua suku kata ya, be sama come, two syllables. Penekanannya nanti guys di suku kata yang kedua. Jadi kita mau bilang become. No, just say become. Become. Ada penekanannya kan? Become. Become gitu guys. Okay. That's it everyone. Become a student or maybe like I want to become president. That's for example. Become. Provide. Provide. We provide good things for you. Provide. Provide. Enjoy. We can enjoy this movie. Enjoy. Ada dua suku kata kan? Enjoy. Penekannya di joy-nya. Enjoy. Enjoy. Invite. Invite. I would like to invite you. Invite. I would like to invite you to come here. That's it. Itu teman-temannya. Kata kerja penekanannya di suku kata yang kedua. Sekarang guys, ada yang kedua nih, bentuknya noun, kata benda, atau adjektif, kata sifat. Tetap sama aturannya, sebuah noun atau adjektif yang jumlahnya 2 sukata aja. Penekannya di baliknya ini, di depan penekanannya guys. So, in this part, you can say table, ada 2 sukata kan? Table, penekanannya di table. Sukata yang pertama, bukan table. New table. Pencil. Laptop. Itu yang noun. Kalau adjective like happy, busy, clever. You're so happy. I'm so busy. Oh, you look so clever. Gitu guys. Itu penekanannya. We have stressing. You got it everyone, yeah? This is a word stress. So guys, let's practice first. I would like you to read that. And when I go with, what about, we have Ardan. Halo Bro Ardan. Bro Ardan. Is it the first time you joined this class, Bro Ardan? Hello. Hey guys, who is Bro Ardan? Do you know him? I never met Bro Ardan before. Okay, so maybe we have a new friends over there. Okay, guys, so come on guys, anybody wants to practice? Siapa yang practice membaca nih guys? Okay,
Nih,
just
sorry, Bro.
let's go, bro. Let's go. This is a verb, yeah? Verb first, bro. Come on. Use the trash here.
Okay.
Mhm.
Become,
Mm.
provide, enjoy, fight,
Okay, what about the noun and adjective?
table, pencil, laptop, happy, busy, clever,
Busy.
oh, busy,
Mm.
clever,
Okay, clever. Clever. Intinya kita itu harus ada penekanannya. Kita nggak perlu penekannya yang kayak become, no. Yang penting kita bisa membedakan, oh kalau itu sudah ditekan gitu aja guys. Become, boleh. Yang penting ada penekanannya. Okay, so that's what. Good job, Rosul. So amazing. What about the goal here, guys? And when I would like to ask, what about bro? Sis ya nih. Sis Lilik. Come on, Sis Lilik. Try to read that with the same word. Sis Lilik. Hello. Are you there, Sis Lilik? Ya. Coba
Yeah,
sih dibaca yuk.
Start from become.
Of course.
Become.
Okay.
Provide.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Okay.
Invite.
Okay. What about noun and adjective?
Table.
Good.
Pencil.
Mhm.
Laptop.
Good.
Happy.
Good.
Busy.
Okay.
Clever.
Okay. Great job. Thank you so much, Cecilia. Nice
Thank you,
one.
bro.
Okay, that's for example ya guys ya. Intinya nanti khususnya ketika kita membaca kosakata, dapat kosakata baru, konteksnya itu ini memang dasar dari sebuah verb, verb, I mean like word ya, kata itu memang mostly ya ada dua syllable kayak gini guys. Makanya nanti teman-teman kalau ada 2 syllables antara verb, noun ataupun adjective itu teman-teman harus kasih penekanannya. Kalau verb itu di suku kata atau syllables yang kedua, kalau noun atau adjective itu yang pertama, yang ke depan, yang di stress gitu guys. Oke guys ya, aman ya ini. This is a word stress everyone. Terus, oh we have Sahroni guys. Oh my god, it's the real Sahroni. Okay guys, it's a good one. Oke, lanjut dulu teman-teman ya. Aduh, ada Sahroni temannya sis. Ini kayak temannya sis Niar. Sis Niar, do you know that? Sedangkan baru dilantik nih.
Sahroni.
Oke. Oke, who is he?
I only
Oh my
know
God.
Sahrini, Coach.
Syahrini, oke. Maju mundur cantik.
Kena.
Aduh, dia kena. Oke, alright guys. Oke, guys, back to the nature here. Look at this one. Sentence stress. Yang kedua, sentence stress ya guys ya. Kalau ini stressnya nanti di sentence, di sebuah kalimat. Okay. Before we jump to this one, I give you the example teman-teman. Berpikir tutup dulu ya ini. Okay. Hold on guys. Yes. This just for example. And you want to say this. the sentence or the stressing intonation when you speak in the whole sentence, you can say like this, for example, guys. Semisal, guys, di sini kan ada dua jenis juga. So you have a two. The first is content words dan juga structure word. What is the difference? Content word itu ketika kita mengucapkan kata di sebuah kalimat itu harus di-stress, guys. Harus ditekan di situ. Jadi situ content word itu pasti bentuknya kata penting, guys ya. Dan juga mungkin information word, gitu guys. Itu yang pertama content word. Jenisnya kayak apa? Kayak noun, kata benda, adverb keterangan, adjective kata sifat, verb kata kerja, bentuk question word what, why, 5W1H itu guys, 5W1H, auxiliary ya guys ya, do, does, tapi konteksnya di sini yang negatif, berarti doesn't, don't, haven't, hasn't, didn't, itu guys. Dan modal verb kayak can, could, tapi konteksnya negatif, berarti yang can't or can't, couldn't. Maybe like you want to say what else guys, may not ya guys ya, or the others, konteksnya negatif. Dan juga negative word. Itu semua harus ditekankan ketika mengucapkan. Structure word itu kebalikannya. Itu structure-nya. So, not stress, gak perlu ditekan. Not important words. Cuma kata bantu aja gitu. Biasanya bentuknya itu berupa pronoun, kata ganti, ayu, dewi, hisi, dan sebagainya. Preposition kata depan, conjunction kata hubung, articles, a, and the, auxiliary verb, teman-teman, modal verb, and to be. That's it. This is a sentence stress. Maksudnya content word dan structure word, berpikir bilang important word sama not important word itu gimana? Coba teman-teman nih. Di sini ada sebuah contoh yang simple nih. I want a cup of tea. Maksudnya kata penting dan enggak itu gimana? Content word itu yang berpikir tandai merah di garis merah itu guys. Itu content word. Structure word itu berarti yang tidak berpikir tandai merah bawahnya. Nah, look at this one. Maksudnya gimana? Content word itu selalu ditekan pengucapannya. Dan itu bentuknya pasti bentuk kalimat, bukan kalimat, kata yang penting dan kata informasi. Gini guys maksudnya. Berpikir tutup nih. Look at this. Semisal kalimat bakunya memang I want a cup of tea. Saya ingin secangkir teh. Kalau Bro Vicky hilangin nih guys, I-nya Bro Vicky hilangin, E-nya Bro Vicky hilangin, of-nya Bro Vicky hilangin. Langsung aja teman-teman bilang gini, 1 cup tea. Pasti kita paham teman-temannya. Oh, berarti kalimat itu memang menginginkan teh. Kita paham kan? Cuma 1 cup tea aja. Itulah yang namanya important word. Kalimatnya ini kata ini kata penting. Dan juga information words. Gitu guys. 1 cup tea bisa. Itu harus ditekan ketika pengucapannya. Oke. Nah, begitupun sebaliknya guys. Kalau Bro Vicky tutup yang structure word. Yang content wordnya Bro Vicky tutup. One-nya Bro Vicky tutup. Cup-nya Bro Vicky tutup. Tea-nya Bro Vicky tutup. So we have I off. Apakah teman-teman bisa paham? I off. No, right? Apa tuh? Tidak. Itu makanya structure word. Not important word. So I off. Hah? What are you talking about? I off. Makanya ini adalah not important word atau dibilang structure word. Itu teman-teman. Kita nggak boleh stress di situ, nggak boleh ditekankan. Itu maksudnya guys. You got it ya? Di sini itu bedanya content word atau structure word. Begitupun contohnya sama nih example ya. I ini kan termasuk yang namanya structure word. I itu adalah pronoun ya. I, you, they, we, he, she, it. O itu articles. Of itu bisa dibilang preposition. Itu teman-teman. Oke. Nah, kalau one itu kan content word. One itu berarti adalah verb. Cup itu bisa dibilangin adverbnya. Tea itu adalah noun-nya. Gitu guys. Got it? Makanya cara mengucapkan I want a cup of tea bukan I want a cup of tea. Bro Dodi, I want a cup of tea. No, itu kayak flat gitu guys. This time is Brudodi, I want a cup of tea. I want, nadanya kayak gini intonasinya ditekan. I want a cup of tea. I want a cup of tea. That would be better. Gitu guys. Oke. Contoh simpelnya dulu dari kata ini. Kita bisa belajar dari kata seperti ini guys. Misal nih, Bro Vicky punya sebuah angka sampai 4 nih. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ini itu guys, ini termasuk content word, teman-teman. Content word ya. Oke. It's a noun-nya gitu. Huruf itu termasuk masuk di bisa di adjective sebenarnya, teman-teman. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapi kalau Bro Vicky pindah kayak gini guys, Bro Vicky kasih you know guys, it's like one ada n-nya, ada conjunction-nya. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Bahasanya gimana berarti guys? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Jadi dekat tetap angkanya aja. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. N-nya nggak boleh. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. No. But 1 and 2 and 2 and 4. N-nya itu cepat aja gitu guys. Cepat saja. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Gitu guys. What about this case? I would like to say this one. 1 and a. Berarti tambah artikel nih. 1 and a. 2 and a 3 is ya. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and that is and a 4. Nah, in this time ini beda juga guys. Hold on. Look at this one. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Nah, kalau di sini kan konteksnya teman-teman digabungin ya. Masih ingat connected speech teman-teman? Konsonan vokal digabungin aja. Okay. So, you can connect that word. Karena di sini itu content word-nya itu cuma 1, 2, 3, 4. Yang lain itu adalah structure word. So, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Ada nadanya gitu. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. You can say like that one. Okay? Got it everyone ya. Sama nih, I want a cup of tea. Ini sama nih guys, you want to say, I would like a cup of coffee. I would like a cup of coffee. That would be better than we say just, I would like a cup of coffee. No, I would like a cup of coffee. That's one. I would itu adalah structure-nya. Like, cup, coffee is a content word. I would like a cup of coffee. She will be late to the party. Party. Dua kata guys, dua syllable ya. Party. Penekannya di party. Karena itu adalah sebuah noun. Okay. She will be late to the party. Ini late ya guys, bukan little. Latte guys, telat ini. Typo. She will be late to the party. I live in the center of London. Okay. Ini lebih kayak British gitu guys. Sebenarnya ini sebuah normal ya atau enggak British ke Amerika, it's just general. But that would be better kayak mirip-mirip ke British gitu guys. So I live in the center of London. Center, penekannya di depan. Center. London. Iya, I live in the center of Java. Java, berarti di depan penekanannya. Bukan Java. No. Java. I live in the center of Java. I live in the center of London. Okay. So, are we ready again, everyone? So this is the intonation. You can say, I want a cup of tea. I would like a cup of coffee. She will be late to the party. I live in the center of London. Guys, come on. Anybody wants to read that? Siapa yang mencoba contoh yang biru aja nih? Okay.
Me.
Okay, Sis Lilik, let's go. Okay, hold on. I will check it out one and one. Yeah.
I want a cup of tea. I would like a cup of coffee.
Good.
She will be late.
Late.
She will be late to the
To the
park.
party.
Okay.
I live in the center of London.
Good. It's really nice. Okay. The common one or maybe the important one, guys. Teman-teman tahu konteksnya aja, tahu teorinya aja. Nanti ketika praktis berawal dari reading aja dulu, dari membaca dulu teman-teman. Nanti juga terbiasa. Nanti udah membaca, udah terbiasa. Nanti ketika speaking pasti ngikut sendiri, guys. Gitu. Oke?
Kalau tiga suku kata, kotanya gimana, Bro?
Ah,
Kayak
it's-
Surabaya.
Kalau itu beda. Misal nih, beautiful, beautiful. Just say beautiful. Biasa normal, sis ya. Just say beautiful. Ya, boleh depan, boleh di
Beautiful.
belakang, it depends. Beautiful. Ini konteksnya yang dua aja. Bahkan 4 juga sama. Ini tidak masuk di sini. Oke? Di sini.
Grandmother.
Oke. Speaking, speaking. Itu is only speak-nya. Speaking. Oke. Alright, teman-teman,
Bro,
siapa lagi
nanya.
yang ya? Gimana, Bro?
Nanya.
Oh iya, Bro Ahmad.
Nanya.
Mm-mm.
She will be late to the party. Kenapa she will-nya enggak ya?
Will-nya enggak? Will ini adalah auxiliary. Ingat, guys.
She-nya. She.
She.
Maksudnya
Oh,
dianya.
she-nya itu pronoun. Kata ganti pronoun. Pronoun itu not
Oke.
stress, Bro. Jadi pronoun she, I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Pronoun itu enggak perlu di stress. Oke? Preposition juga sama. Conjunction, articles. Ini ada ya. Ada auxiliary. Auxiliary-nya yang verb, teman-teman. Itu enggak perlu, ya. Modal verb juga enggak, yang modal verb yang positif juga enggak perlu di stress, tapi yang negatif di stress. Misal nih, you wanna say auxiliary don't. I don't eat rice. I don't eat rice, gitu guys. Itu don't-nya ditutup atau di stress ya. Kalau teman-teman bilang do you eat rice? We cannot say do you eat rice, just say do you eat rice, gitu guys. Do you eat rice? Gitu. Oke? Bro? Apanya, Bro? Bro Ahmad?
Iya.
Ya, C-nya nggak di
Thank you.
stress karena di situ pronoun. Oke. Structure word masuknya. Oke, lagi nih guys. Anybody wants to read that?
Can I try it?
Of course. Come on, sis Auntie. Let's go.
I want a cup of tea.
Hmm.
I would like a cup of coffee.
Hmm.
Is it light? Late?
It's late. Ini typo ya, guys. Telat.
She'll be late to the party.
Hmm.
I live in the center of London.
Okay, I live in the center of London. Great job, sis
No.
Auntie. Thank you so much. Okay, what about Bro Fatih? Bro Fatih. Come on, Bro Fatih. Let's go.
Hello,
Try to
bro.
read that. Hello. Mhm.
Hello. All right, so I want a cup of coffee.
Tea, but not coffee. Repeat
Alright, I'm
again.
gonna-
Okay.
Now, repeat again. Let me repeat again. Yeah, I want a cup of tea,
Mhm.
and I would like a cup of coffee.
Mhm.
She will be late to the
Late.
Yeah, all right. She will be late to the party.
Mhm.
I live in the center of London.
Good job, bro. Nice one.
Aku
Okay, guys.
Bro Fik.
Okay, sis Punky, come on. Take your time. Let's go.
I want a cup of tea.
Mhm.
I would like a cup of coffee.
Okay.
She will be late to the party.
To
the
the.
party. Yes. She will be late to the party.
Good.
I live in the center of London.
Good job, sis Punky. That's a good,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Nice one. Okay, guys, yeah. So this is the intonation, especially the stretching, everyone, yeah. That's really good if we practice that. Sometimes, like when we practice the normal one, is the first time, it kind of like hard. Kayak, aduh susah nih. That's totally okay. Yang penting teman-teman tahu konteksnya dulu, teorinya dulu. So when you practice, you can just use it day by day. It will help you. Tanpa kita harus menandai, oh ini content word atau structure word. Tiba-tiba kita pasti langsung nyatu gitu guys. So just use it. Okay everyone ya. Okay guys, so anybody has a question again for this time? Before we jump our main topic? Nope.
Prof, itu perbedaan center sama center itu apa ya, Prof?
Center. Center itu tengah-tengah.
Oh,
Center.
ini, oh, oke. Center Kan tulisannya CNTER, and
Mhm.
then CNTRE. Iya
Oh,
nggak, bro?
sure. Okay, yes, that's right. Okay, so this is center. This is the center. Itu sebenarnya center itu adalah sebuah ejaan dalam British ya, teman-teman. Ini, bro. British itu center. Center. Oke. Kalau dieja atau dibaca ya center gitu, guys ya. Oke. But actually, bro, kalau bilang center itu juga boleh kok, bro. In British, they will say center, boleh, atau just say center, tengah-tengah, bro, center. Nah, in American, they just say center. So, di British itu penulisannya boleh pakai center untuk bilang pusat gitu ya, bro, di tengah-tengah gitu. Selain center, you can use both of them. Itu semuanya sama kok, bro. Okay?
Oke,
Got
bro.
it, bro? Okay, that's good one. Center. It's like you want to say color and color gitu, bro. You know, it's like British and American. Okay, bro. Got it, bro? Namanya bro Zul?
Oke, Bro Vic, thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
sure. Okay, guys, that's gonna be enough for this time. And this is an addition topic. Okay, bro, sudah share ya di chat obrolan teman-teman. You can check it. And back to the nature here. Our topic today is about. Do you know what we're going to talk about, guys? That's about. What's that? Advanced vocabulary. Advanced vocabulary. So when we speak English, if you want to have a good in speaking, especially you want to have IELTS, I guess IELTS score, IELTS test, the important one, you must use the advanced vocabulary, the basic one. Okay, so look at this. I have several vocabularies. Okay, it's all about the advanced dan juga persamaan kata. Gak hanya itu aja, teman-teman. So the first, if you want to say about artinya banyak about ini, guys ya. Di sini kayak kita bilangnya ya sekitar, hampir juga boleh, it depends. Nah di sini, guys, selain kita selalu bilang about, is about 30 years, is about 1 kilometers, is about, teman-teman boleh membahas atau menggunakan advance-nya, just say approximately, ya, approximately, artinya ya sekitar gitu, guys ya. Around, almost, or just. This is the advanced word. Daripada bilang about, untuk bilang sekitar, kira-kira, kurang lebih baik menggunakan approximately, around, almost, and just. Bro Fikri tulis cara bacanya ya, teman-teman, di atasnya nih.
Yeah.
Okay. This is approximately or approximately. Nih, guys. Bacanya. It's double P ya. Approximately. Ya, ini, guys. Okay. Approximately. Kita nggak perlu bilang approximately. No. Approximately. Around. Sama ya kalau ini. Around. Almost. Just. Okay. Maybe. Itu kayak bilang maybe. Mungkin. You can say perhaps. Perhaps or probably. Probably. Iya. Probably you will buy. Perhaps you will buy. That would be better than we just say maybe, probably, perhaps. You can use that as advanced vocabulary. And then as part, you want to say sure. Ya guys ya, kayak tentu saja, ya gitu guys. You can say absolutely, itu guys bacanya. Oke, hold on, Bro Fit, terus di sampingnya ya. Absolutely. Okay. Definitely. Surely. It's not the same like sure, actually. For sure. Yes. Do you love eating fried rice? Absolutely. Definitely. Do you like drinking coffee? Oh, definitely. I love it. Surely, and for sure. Itu guys ya. Cara bilang now, ya guys, ya, sekarang gak hanya now aja. You can say nowadays, kayak hari-hari ini, nowadays. That's the advance. At present, or even currently, currently, yeah, currently. Nowadays, at present, currently. That's it. At the next part, you want to say live. Sebenarnya live and stay itu beda ya. Kalau live itu lebih tinggal menetap gitu kan. Kalau stay itu tinggal sementara. Semisal Bro Vicky asal Surabaya, I live in Surabaya. Ketika lagi kerja atau apa di kota mana gitu, I stay in Jakarta, so I will live. But I live in Surabaya. Karena tinggal sementara, bakal balik lagi ke asal gitu. Okay, so or you can say settle. Nah, live, stay, teman-teman, it is the basic word. So you can just say an advanced word and just say settle. Settle. I settle in, malah nih, I settle in Jakarta. I settle in Bekasi. Okay. I settle in Mars. Oh, Mars? Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, and then sleep. Yeah, sleep, tidur. You can just level up your vocabulary to advanced vocabulary. You can say hit the hay. Hit the hay. I want to hit the hay. I need to hit the hay. Hit. I need to hit the hay. Ini verb ya. Hitnya itu verb, guys. I need to hit the hay. Ya, guys ya. Eat the sack. Gak boleh. Nadav. I want to nadav tonight. Boleh. Ya, guys ya. Eat the sack. Nadav. Digabungin ya. Nadav. Ini, guys. The next part, you want to say good job, kerja bagus, gitu guys. Wow, good job Cecilia, good job Sahroni. It's a good job. Nah, in this time you can say magnificent. Yang pertama, magnificent. We cannot say magnificent, guys. No. C, masih ingat guys, C yang dibaca S sama K? C dibaca S sama K, masih ingat ya? We talk about it in the class previously. Okay. Kayak gini guys, tetap dibaca magnificent. Itu teman-teman. Okay. It's a magnificent. 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 First class work. Good effort. Boleh. Wow. Magnificent, says Brazil. Okay. First class work, says Vinda. Good effort, says Lily. That's for example. Okay. This is everyone. And the next part is the like. Cara bilang suka. Okay. Banyak banget sebenarnya guys. Yang pertama boleh pakai fancy. Fancy is totally okay. Fancy. Fond of. Ini kata gaulnya juga nih. Fond of. I'm fond of. Tapi setelah of ini harus diikuti gerund ya. Okay. Fond of. I'm fond of cooking. Saya suka memasak. Keen on juga sama. I'm keen on cooking. Terus gerundnya. Saya suka memasak. Into. Ini suka sering dipakai. Daripada teman-teman bilang I like, that would be better just say into. I'm into this movie. I'm not into this movie. Gitu guys. Itu bermakna suka teman-teman. Okay. I'm into, fond of, keen on, into, adore. I adore juga boleh. You can say that one. Crazy, ini crazy teman-teman ya, bukan crazy. Crazy gila itu guys. Crazy about, maksudnya tergila-gila, maksudnya suka banget gitu. I'm crazy about this K-drama. Berarti ya tergila-gila, suka banget, very like, very love. Itu teman-teman. Okay. Fancy, ini verb ya teman-teman, ada verb 2-nya is avenged. Fancy verb 1 ya, avenged verb 2, verb 3 juga sama. I fancy blah 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 gitu guys. I adore juga sama, it's a verb as well. Okay guys, everyone, you can just say that one. Coba teman-teman tukar Bro Vicky ya. Okay, so you can turn on your microphone, boleh dibuka mikrofonnya guys. And repeat after me loudly. Guys, repeat after me. Approximately.
Approximately.
Round.
round,
Almost.
almost,
Almost.
Just.
just,
Okay.
Just.
Perhaps.
perhaps,
Perhaps.
Probably.
probably,
Absolutely.
absolutely,
Absolutely.
Definitely.
definitely,
Definitely.
Surely.
surely,
Surely.
For sure.
for sure,
For sure.
Nowadays.
Nowadays.
At present.
at present,
At
Currently.
currently,
Currently.
Stay.
stay,
Settle.
settle,
Hit the hay.
hit the hay,
In the sack.
hit the sack,
Not of.
not of,
Magnificent.
magnificent,
First class work.
first class work,
Last
Good
word.
effort.
good effort,
Good
You
effort.
can, you can connect that word. Good effort.
Good effort.
good effort,
Fancy.
fancy,
Fond of.
fond of,
Keen on.
keen on,
Into.
be into,
Into.
Be ini maksudnya to be ya guys ya. To be.
Yeah.
I am
is
into.
a,
Ya, is are tergantung. Kalau simple past ya, I was into gitu guys. We were into be. To be. Adore.
door,
Crazy
Adore.
about.
crazy about,
Okay, great everyone. Okay, guys, so we have done it talking about this advanced vocabularies. Anybody has a questions?
I have a question, bro.
Sure, come on, Santi.
If you say I like you, it's the same with I fond of you. It's the same meaning.
Hey, yeah, it's the same. I'm fond of you. It's the same. You wanna say yang penting suka is I'm fond of you. Like itu kalau like I like you itu sama kayak I'm fond of you. Ini tetap ya guys ya. Fond of, keen on. Ini Bro Vicky warnai
Itu semuanya
hijau.
Jaren ya, Bro.
Jaren? Ya. Oh,
Kalau
no.
nanti yang like itu setelahnya tuh nanti harus diikuti oleh
Oh,
Jaren.
Jaren. Iya,
Yang
benar
like.
banget. Like,
Berarti
I like.
fancy, fond of, can
Yes.
on itu semuanya Jaren nanti
Yeah,
setelah itu.
that's correct. Iya, I
Is that
adore cooking.
formal
Yeah.
way?
It advanced, bro. Yeah, advanced itu boleh dipakai di formal or informal. It's totally okay. That's good. Intinya bedanya gini, guys. Berpikir warna hijau. Yang fond of, keen on, be into, and crazy about. Ini adalah nominal sentence. Berarti ada to be-nya nanti. I am fond of. I am keen on. I am into. I am crazy about. Kalau fancy adore itu verb, gak perlu bilang I am fancy. I fancy, I adore, gitu guys. Sama kayak like. Bukan I am like, you are like, she is like, tapi you like, she likes, ya guys ya. And maybe we like, gitu guys. Got it everyone?
Got
Gitu
it.
aja ya. Okay. Okay guys, I think that's gonna be enough for this time. So this is our topic. Semuanya diikuti Jaren guys. Yeah. Maybe you wanna say I really fancy cooking. I am fond of cooking. I'm keen on cooking. I'm into cooking. I adore cooking. I'm crazy about cooking. That's one. Oke, jadi teman-teman kalau diikuti yang namanya verb harus gerund. Kalau noun ya boleh. Saya suka siapa nih? Saya suka Devina Karamoe gitu guys ya. Baru tahu guys kemarin kita lihat. Iya. Kalian yang ngasih tahu sih guys.
Iya,
Oke.
susah
So,
sweet, susah sweet.
That's favorite Brazil.
Brazil. Okay. You can say I'm fond of Davina Karamoe. I fancy Davina Karamoe. Boleh. You can say that one. Okay? That is everyone ya. Aman teman-temannya. Okay guys, so that's gonna be enough for this time. So this is the advanced, so you can use it everyone. Okay. Jadi kalau kita selalu bilang about, you can just say approximately, that would be better. Maybe, you can say probably, ya guys ya. Mau bilang sure, you can say absolutely or definitely. Now you can say currently, at present. Yeah, I am eating at present. Settle, I settle in Bekasi. Leave, itu ke settle. Sleep, just say native. Kita hey. Good job, you can say, oh, your first class work. Oh, good effort. Gitu ya. Masih banyak lagi sebenarnya. Kayak Bro Vic selalu bilang, you're killing it. Is it the same, teman-teman? Wow, good job. Okay. Like, you can say that one. Gak hanya I like, I love aja kalau mau bilang suka. Got it, ya? Okay, guys, that's gonna be enough for this time. And the next part, we need to practice on breakout room and we can discuss about this, everyone. What do you think? What do you think that the internet will change people's buying habits in the future? Menurut teman-teman gimana nih, guys? Internet itu akan mengganti ya habitnya orang beli ke depannya. What do you think about that one? Yeah.
Yes.
Give your opinion about
Yeah.
this later. What are the pros? Pros itu berarti ya pro-nya ya guys ya. Cons, kontranya about shopping online. Okay. And then is the internet important for education? Penting gak sih guys? Do you think parents should supervise their children to use the internet? Supervise. Do you know what is the supervise? Supervise,
Supervisi,
mengawasi,
memperhatikan. Supervisi.
memperhatikan. Iya. It is supervise, itu mengawasi. Ya guys ya. So, apakah menurut teman-teman nih guys ya, orang tua itu sebaiknya mengawasi anak-anaknya menggunakan internet? What's the best age for children to use the internet? The best age. Okay. Why do children start using the internet very early nowadays? Let's move on to what people do on internet. What do you think people do on the internet? What about elderly people? Yang lebih tua. Do they use internet very much? Guys, just talk about this, yeah? Okay, you can just the questions you want and just have fun or just give your opinion about this. When you want to give the opinion, don't be afraid, guys. What is in your mind, just say it. Okay.
Bro Vic,
Kenapa sendiri?
yang kedua tadi poinnya
kedua?
tentang apa sih? Ya.
Yang kedua, what are the pros and cons of shopping online? Kayak pro kontranya shopping online itu apa? Kelebihan keunggulannya maybe. You can say that one. Kelebihan keunggulan atau kekurangannya ya pro kontranya gitu, Sislik. Pros
Yeah.
itu pronya, cons kontranya. Oke? Okay? Aman ya? Oke. Okay. You guys come on, let's join the breakout room. We have done how many people here? Okay. We just want to make it like this one. What about 3? Ya, guys, 3 nanti ya. So you can just join and practice over there. Make it fun, everyone. Hold on, guys. I will change it first. Okay. Okay, hold on. You can practice like this one. Okay. So guys, just join the breakout room and practice your English, okay? Sis did it. Okay, guys. So 1, 2, 3, go. Time is yours. Come on, guys. Just join the breakout room. Practice your English. Everybody must join the breakout room, okay? Okay. So, guys, we'll come back to the main room. And thank you so much, everyone, for having such a nice and a great conversation. You just talk about internet and shopping, or online shopping, and anything. That was really good. The next, before I give you the feedbacks, so that's the same. It's a 1-minute challenge. And for today,
Bro Fatih.
okay,
Yes.
Sis
Bro
Dania.
Fatih.
Bro Fatih. Bro Fatih.
Bro Fatih.
Bro Fatih. Bro
Sis-
Fatih speak
Okay.
fluently.
Wow. Okay, that's it. Bro Fatih, do you want to it? Yeah, you want it, right? Okay, come on, Bro
Don't be
Fatih.
fast. Please slowly.
Okay, Bro Fatih, you had such a great
Decision.
conversation with Bro Dodi and also Sis Dania, right?
Yeah,
It's really good. Come on, Bro Fatih, you can try to explain it. Okay, Bro Fatih?
Yeah.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3, go. Time is short. It's 1 minute for you.
Yeah, I was talking about with Mr. Dodi and Nania and Daniel, and there's a lot of option like when Sir Dodi say, and yeah, we always, what was that? To fan off, what was that? To fan off menangkis, yeah, option, opini. So Dodi like, yeah, they're like how we guys to handle when children when we are too busy and children the option just need phone for to calm and make no bother us. So yeah, she's Daniel and me, what was that? To fan of sort of the opinion, yeah, like I say like not only option about phone, like maybe toys or something like that, and that's so fun for talking about with Sir Dodi and Daniel. And at the point, at the point, what was that? Yeah, it's so fun, guys, for
Okay.
talking about it.
Wow, great. Thank you so much, Bro Fatih. You're killing it. It's nice. Okay, so just talk about anything actually, yeah. And that was really funny. You said it before. It's really good. Thank you so much, Bro Fatih. Nice
Yeah,
one.
sure.
Okay, Bro Fatih, if you want to say menangkis, so it's just like you respond, okay? You respond to your opinion. Or kalau mau bilang menangkisnya, boleh juga. This is, you can say deflect. Deflect. Deflect itu menangkis. But actually you can just say, when I respond, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's boleh. Or but if you want to say, general, basically it's like menangkis pendapat orang. So you can say opinion, ya. So deflect, I guess. Begitu sih chat obrolannya.
Oh, bukan to fan off ya?
Fan off. Ya, boleh. Fan off itu boleh juga. Menangkis itu adalah phrasal verb yang kita pelajari kemarin. Sama kok. Fan off.
Fan off.
Yep, fan off. Boleh. Okay. Is menangkis.
Alright.
Menangkis. Okay. Good job, bro. Okay. So guys, go ahead, guys. I would like to give you hold on, guys, the feedback. Hey, guys, I still hear you is the miss. Yeah, you gotta miss when you speak this one. Jadi teman-teman, if you want to give your opinion, nah, menurut saya, you can say this one. Yes. According to me, tapi Bro Vicky tadi melihat teman-teman itu mendengar, Bro Vicky dengar teman-teman pakai for me. Nah, so look at this everyone. Jadi ada yang namanya to me dan juga for me. Ya, look at this. Nah, sini kebalik nih. Kalau to me, itu teman-teman you give your opinion. Teman-teman memberikan pendapat di sini. Memberikan pendapat. Jadi, if you want to say, menurut saya, to me, gitu guys. Or you can say, oh, the material is good to me. It means materi ini sangat baik. Menurut saya, pandangan saya gitu. Tapi kalau for me, itu lebih ke ini guys. Menyatakan sesuatu keuntungan gitu guys ya. Keuntungan atau manfaat buat kalian. Oke. So, menyatakan iya, menyatakan sesuatu yang ada keuntungan atau manfaat, menyatakan sesuatu ada keuntungan atau mungkin manfaat ya, atau manfaat bagi kalian. Gitu. Contohnya, the material is really useful for me. Kalau konteksnya di situ menyatakan sebuah manfaat, itu lebih pakai for me. Jadi kalau mau kasih pendapat nggak boleh. For me, online shopping is really good. Nggak boleh. Oke. Kalau konteksnya pendapat, that should be to me. To me, itu guys. Kalau konteksnya shopping online is really good for me. Berarti di situ menunjukkan ada manfaat ya atau keuntungan dari shopping online itu sendiri. Jika ada everyone, itu bedanya ya. To me and for me. Okay, nice. Okay, guys, that's gonna be enough for this time. And overall, you're so good, guys, and keep going, yeah, keep practicing, and gonna be enough for this time. Anybody has a question? Guys?
Nope.
Nope. Okay, great. No question so far. So this is our topic, everyone. We have done talking about advanced vocabularies, and guess we just talk about stress in English. So you can practice by reading, at least just reading simple sentence. If you like reading English book, try to read. I guess yeah, you can use that intonation, that stress, even the topic like how we call it, connected speech. Yeah. That's good to improve your reading, even your speaking as well. Okay, guys, yeah, I think that's gonna be enough for today. This is our topic. And guys, anybody has like a riddle or do you want to give the quote of today?
Riddle.
Riddle, come on, Daniel. Do you want it? Oh, do you want it, Daniel? Boleh.
Is it okay? I'm afraid you have a hati yang
What?
sedang dijaga.
Oh no, I'm free. Okay, okay. Ini bro, ini jomblo akut ya guys ya.
Okay.
Alright.
Jomblo parah ini mah
Itu
parah.
parah banget
Okay,
tuh guys ya.
Okay, guys, make Bro Vicky cannot sleep well for a week.
Oh sure.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
Bro Vicky, do you know the differences of
What?
Soto and Bro Vicky?
Is soto? Are you sure soto is soto? Kata Cinta Laura itu soto.
Shadow.
Soto. Soto.
Soto.
Soto. What is that? Soto and me. The difference? I have no idea. What's that?
Kalau Soto dikasih kuah, kalau
Oh
Bro
iya.
Vicky dikasih muah.
Muah. Muah. Okay.
Still the
Muah
same
and
ya.
muah.
MU
Still the same.
maksudnya.
Muah. Iya
Siap-siapin
ya.
itu ya. Kantong muntahnya ya guys, siap-siap.
Wah, guys. Oh my God. That's really good, Daniel. Thank you so much. It's a good one.
Thank you ya, Bro.
Okay.
Thank
Guys,
you,
thank you
guys.
for coming, guys. Kita ketemu besok ya. And this is our topic, guys. And the last I say, speaking partner.
We are the best partner.
Partner.
What's password, guys?
Smart.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you.
Yeah, thank you,
Have a great day.
Vicky, for today.
Yes, catch you soon.